You lost another one.
Hey everyone, Jordan here from ThatCarLife, and I know what you're thinking. Finally, this guy's uploaded a video. It's been how long? Or you're probably thinking, this fucking idiot's uploaded again, fuck my life. Either way, yeah, it's been a while since I've uploaded. So if you're wondering why, honestly, I just haven't had any ideas of what to upload. And because of COVID, my hours of work at work have dropped down a lot. So I haven't exactly had like a lot of money to go buy new mods and do videos on those mods and stuff like that. So I've kind of been on struggle street for a couple months. So yeah, it's been really hard for me to upload because there hasn't really been much that I've been doing to my car. And yeah, that's mainly the reason why I haven't uploaded that much. All right, so you're probably noticing that there's a bumper like right behind me. And the reason why I have this bumper is because I planned on getting the reflectors taken out and shaved off and basically getting it resprayed. And I did order some K-Mac repods that my cousin's respraying at the moment. So when they come in, gonna get them chucked on here. I got this off my friend Minna for a good price, so thanks for that, man. So the plan for today is I'm going to get all this Sikaflex off from the repods that used to be on this bumper and basically just get it all cleaned up and ready for my cousin to respray it. So to get this stuff off, I'm going to use some methylated spirits and going to use this thing to scrape a lot of the crap off. Doesn't really matter if I damage the paint because it's going to get resprayed anyway. Oh yeah, one other thing, I'm thinking I might also see if I can swap the reflectors because it is going to be a while until I get it resprayed. So I might just for now swap those black reflectors with these if I can do that. And the main reason why I'm going for a new rebar is because this one's got a big ass hole in it. But I'm also kind of thinking, I don't know if I should just get this bar resprayed because if you think about it, even though this has a big ass hole in it, it's actually in better condition than the other one. Like, I don't know, I could just, because this is going to have to get filled in anyway, so I may as well just get this filled in. I don't really know, I think it makes more sense to get this rebar resprayed and filled and all that, and then just have the other one spare. But no matter what, I'm just gonna get all the Sikaflex off it, clean it up just in case. So I'm still gonna do that today. And yeah, I'll attempt to swap these reflectors with these black ones over here. So I think they've just been night shaded, but I'm gonna see if I can figure out a way to swap them because I reckon they look pretty cool. All right, so first things first, let's just see if we can get the major big parts off with this just by scraping it off. Alright, so this first part here is all taken care of, so all the Sikaflex is gone. There's a few scratches that are left, but it doesn't matter because this bar is completely ruined anyway paint wise. So yeah, so a few scratches left, but who cares, all the Sikaflex is gone. Now it's just a matter of doing all of this here, which is, I already know is going to be a big pain in the ass, but what can you do? And then I've got to do the other side, so yeah, let's get started over here. Alright, so I made a bit more progress on getting the Sikaflex removed, but I'm going to stop it right here because the weather isn't looking too great and I don't want to be out here in pouring rain doing this because it is going to take a while. So it's a decent amount of progress, but I'm just going to leave it, put it away, and I'll tackle it another day. So yeah, at least I got a little bit of it off, but for now, before it starts raining, I'll see if I can start swapping off these reflectors. So I'm not like 100% sure on how to get these reflectors off. I've had a look online, but I can't really find anything saying exactly how to do it. But just by taking a look at the bumper, it looks like there's like these clips here that I might be able to pull off. So yeah, I'm just going to dig into it and see if I can figure it out. All right, so I was just fiddling with it and I actually pushed these two bits in here and this ended up falling out, so the front piece of the reflector. So I guess that means I can actually just replace this piece itself, because I was thinking I had to pull off this whole black piece. So I'll have a look at my bumper and I'll see if I can figure out a way to push these forward. So let's suss it out. I reckon if I get this lining out, I might be able to have a look and see if it's accessible. So I'm just going to grab some screwdrivers right here. Lucky I've got this. I still need to get like an actual socket set for my boot, but this was a hand-me-down, so not really complaining. So let's see if I'll be able to do it. Alright, so I've pulled this forward and I've had a look inside, but it turns out there's no way to access the rear bumper without, access the reflector without actually taking off the bumper, which don't really have time to do. I thought this might be able to pull out because my one just pops out like this, but I guess it makes sense that this is broken. But I'll see if it's possible to do this because this would be a lot easier. So I've had a look at my other bumper to see if it's possible, but it's not like a screw or a clip or anything like that. It's kind of lodged in there for life. So there's no way I can really move this to my other bumper. So I guess if I really want to, I can just nightshade what I have on now, just temporarily. But yeah, I guess that kind of sucks. I can't really tell if it looks better blacked out or red. I guess let me know in the comments down below if you think I should black these out, just temporarily. I don't really know what looks better. I can't tell. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, red or blacked out. So yeah, the video didn't exactly turn out exactly how I planned it to. But I think I'm still going to upload it anyway, just so I can get something out, because I haven't uploaded in like 4 weeks. So normally I would film a video like this, but if it doesn't go my way and if I'm not happy with it, I just won't upload it. Like I have like another 2 videos that I'm just not happy with and I haven't uploaded, because like I want my videos to be like top quality, you know what I mean? But honestly, it's been 4 weeks. I'm just going to upload this video anyway, and I hope you guys can still enjoy it, even though I didn't get anything done. But this video might have some meaning, because on Instagram I put a post basically saying I might do a Q&A in this video, which good thing I did, because I didn't manage to get anything else done, so at least this video will have some sort of purpose. So yeah, I'll start reading your questions now. Just gonna flex my Sylvia phone case for a second. Alright guys, so the first question is from Marcel, and he asks, how much did you get the S15 for and how many kilometers? Alright, so I got the S15 for 17 grand, because I was lucky enough to get it about 2-3 years ago, back when the prices weren't like 20 grand for every single one as they are now. They're only going to keep getting higher and higher. I mean, they're pretty much like bottom line 20 grand now and higher. But yeah, I'm pretty lucky I got it for 17 grand. And kilometers, I actually bought it on I think 127,000 or 129. It was in 120s, so yeah, pretty low. And yeah, I was pretty happy with the price too, because it came with like coilovers, full exhaust, and like a few other little things like rear pods as well. Now they've been stolen, rip. But yeah, so I was pretty lucky to get it for that price and that kilometers. All right, so the next 2 questions are pretty similar. First one's from Alec, who asks, can you host a cruise please? Next one's from King20T, I think that's how you say your Instagram name. Sorry if I butchered it. You got a clean S15, I've seen it around heaps, and yeah, I really love your car. He asks, can you organize a ThatCarLife meet and cruise? So yeah, I am planning on doing a ThatCarLife meet and cruise when I hit 1,000 subscribers. That's pretty much my goal. I've been planning on it for a while, so as soon as I hit 1,000 subs, I'm going to organize a pretty decent meet and cruise. Hopefully it'll be a good turnout, and I also have a few other special things in mind for 1,000 subs. I really want to take the car to the track when I hit that milestone, either roll racing, drifting, drag racing, whatever it is. I really want to make that happen. Alright, so the next question is from Gordon Yellow. He's got a cracker Mustang. I met him before, really cool bloke. He asks, next plans, how long do you plan on keeping the car, and what's your favorite car? So next plans for the S15, I'm kind of waiting till I get a decent job. I'm applying for a lot of jobs at the moment. Currently I'm in the interview phase for one of them, so fingers crossed I can get it and I can have a full-time job and a solid income so I can actually do stuff to my car. But when that happens, my next plans are, well, I already have the rear pods coming in, so that will be sorted. Rear roof visor is going to come back on, so to replace the one that's been stolen. New wheels, of course, and then my car actually has hail damage on it. You guys might not see that in the videos, but I want to get the hail damage fixed, and after that I want to get straight into the engine mods and just do a top end build and a new turbo as well. And I want to aim for about 250-300 kilowatts on 85. But yeah, so those are the future plans for the car. Oh yeah, and what's my favorite car? Nissan Silvia S15. It's always been my favorite car, and I'm lucky enough to own it. So yeah, pretty happy about that. What a car. Appreciate it, bro. I actually got myself stuck back here. I'm still trying to move around for the video for a meme, but I kind of fucked myself. So the next question is from Anthony, I think your name is. Sorry if I butchered it. He said, are you worried about your car being stolen? Seeing so many, I'd be afraid. Look, it's always a worry when you have an S15 or any kind of car like this about it getting stolen. But since it got broken into, it was a bit of a wake-up call, and I got pretty much like all the possible precautions I can take put into this car. Got a full alarm system that so loud, you can hear it from blocks away. GPS tracker, kill switch, like it full calls my car, it calls my phone when the alarm goes off and sends me a location, all this stuff. So yeah, it does really help me sleep at night, and it does make me feel a little bit less scared about it getting stolen, but obviously the fear's always there. Adrian says, you drive past my work on Wednesdays, and wow. Yeah, I always go past that bottle shop, and for some reason I always give it a hit there. So I guess you're lucky enough to be able to hear that. And yeah, I'm glad you enjoy it, man, and thanks for the question. Antonia says, are you uploading soon? You're the ThatCarLife helper and ThatCarLife support. You know I'm uploading soon. A big common question that I get on YouTube a lot from all my videos are, where are your wheels? When are you getting new wheels? All these questions about my wheels. So when I first sold my old wheels, my original plan was to use that money to buy new wheels. But my car got broken into the week after that, and I had to use that money to like help pay to get the stuff back. Or to get, to replace, like get replacement parts, you know what I mean? So that went out the window. COVID restrictions happened, hours at work got cut down, and it just got to the point where I haven't been able to afford to buy wheels or just anything to my car until I can get a full-time job. So yeah, that's why my car's been on stockies for a while and nothing's really happened to it. But yeah, when I do get the money, don't worry, wheels are the first thing that are going on this car. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and the Q&A. Let me know if you want me to do another Q&A as well, because there's probably going to be a few questions that I haven't been able to answer because I've just uploaded the video. But I might do another Q&A down the line with the questions that I didn't answer today, and some more down in the future as well. But yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, all of that for more, and I'll see you guys next time on That Car Life.